There are now manifold applications for drones, and new ones are being added every day. The list of possible applications, whether it be agricultural, civil defense, energy, construction, real estate, logistics, media production, or security tasks, as you can see, it's long. The use of drone technology will continue to expand due to its wide range of possible applications. Simple reason why farmers in particular are so keen to the use of drones for their work. From a bird's eye view, you can see many things better from at the ground. Multicopters and drones can be used in a variety of ways in agriculture, forestry, and viticulture. Precision farming is the key word. Multispectral cameras and color filters can be used to determine the health of crops. These filters allow only certain color ranges called multispectral, or only individual wavelengths called hyperspectral of the leaf reflection to pass. Using GPS-based flight plans, several hectares can be flown over autonomously within just a few minutes. These results enable precise management, which can either target or save resources such as water, fertilizer, and pesticides. One application is the vineyards, which are usually difficult to reach. For example, a winemaker can take targeted and early action on the vineyard without losing harvest or having to treat an entire vineyard. Another possible effect is that at the same time the soil pollution decreases because the soils are protected, since no soil compaction is caused by heavy equipment. Not to be neglected is also another positive effect is that there are fewer emissions due to the low flight altitude and efficiency spray procedure. All of this leads to economical farming. More and more authorities and organizations for rescue and safety sector rely on the use of drones. With special equipped thermal imaging cameras, they are actively helping to fight fires and search and rescue operations from the air. Drones already offer a wide range of applications in civil protection as well. The acquisition of aerial images in an operational situation, the use of infrared imaging cameras or special measuring devices, the transportation of equipment, medicine, or other aid, as well as the extension of radio links and documentation. As technology advances, more and more operational areas are conceivable for drones that can contribute to saving human lives as well as a significant materials asset. Today, unmanned aerial systems that are already being used successfully are in areas like search and rescue operations in mountain areas. People that are in inaccessible terrain, for example, who have previously had to be searched for on foot by mountain rescuers for hours, can now be located in as little as 10 to 20 minutes with the use of aerial operations. Drones can be useful to law enforcement as well, especially during emergencies, and cities across the U.S. have found creative ways to use these drones. At present, drones are used for a variety of reasons, ranging from everything from hostage negotiations to bomb investigations and criminal surveillance as well as crime scene analysis. In the present coronavirus pandemic, some countries' police agencies are using drones to check in on residents who have tested positive for COVID-19. In India, police are using drones to track large gatherings and monitor narrow roads that police cars can't normally fit into. In France, health warnings are blared through drones flying over deserted beaches. However, fire departments are also calling for the drone to be used as a firefighting drone, with the ability to transport heavy loads. The possibility for transporting rescue workers on or in a drone is also being examined. A major application for aerial robots is maintenance. In both reactive maintenance, which has become rare, and preventative and predictive maintenance, drones help provide accurate data which can support condition monitoring, speed up repair processes, and minimize downtime. Drones are helping engineer teams inspect and maintain wind and solar farms. Through machine learning, drones can autonomously recognize patterns and regularities via cameras and sensors. Based on these findings, valuable recommendations for action can be provided, for example, which are only made possible by the drone's different perspective. But not only automatic surveillance can be supported by a drone. From the air, the condition of wind turbines, satellite dishes, or locations of containers in the cargo port can be checked. Aerial reconnaissance by flying objects can save a lot of time for your employees. Instead of looking themselves, they can let the drone fly and have the data images right away. Using thermographic analysis, flying robots from drones can inspect large-scale solar installations. Equipped with a thermal imaging camera, the drone finds defective cells quickly and reliably. Open-air rooftop systems that are difficult to access can then be monitored from the air. To ensure the best drones can withstand the rigors of industrial use, the appropriate components must be in place, however. IQ technology allows users to gather important motor data and telemetry to use this information for preventative maintenance. Imagine being unable to monitor the health of your vehicle, such as your car not having a check engine light. In the drone market, motor and control technology is still hobby grade. The existing solutions don't provide easy access to motor data. Hence, IQ Motion Control built a motor controller that can report both standard and advanced telemetry. In addition, drone makers will be able to significantly improve maneuverability of their vehicle. With IQ's closed-loop motor control technology, IQ components users observe a better efficiency, improved power and torque, improved cornering and handling, and they can stabilize and brake up to 4 times faster. IQ Motion Control software further enhances motor performance. IQ Motion Controller also reports a wide bench of motor parameters that they can use for preventative maintenance. With IQ's high torque and high performance UAVs and robotics devices, they'll be able to exercise precise, smooth control over these compact, lightweight motor modules and enable robotic arms, legs, and much more. Reliability is a big deal on any robotics device. The combination of IQ's high-end motor performance and extensive feedback allow drone makers to build the most reliable vehicle for any purpose. You can find out more about this in the description below. In the future, drones are expected to be increasingly used for internal and external goods transportation. Due to their agile flight characteristics, drone can easily fly not only outside but also inside buildings. In intralogistics, they are used in warehouses or high bay warehouses for many kinds of inventory control. They can perform tasks such as inventory autonomously and under software control. Until now, this has been required by many employees during normal operating hours. But with a quadcopter, this can be done at night and without any personnel, especially in high bay warehouses. This reduces the risk of accidents for employees. Permanent monitoring of stock levels also improves inventory accuracy throughout the year. To ensure power supply and location in the haul, the drone is coupled with an automatic high-lift truck. Another example are docks. Innovation from Germany offers a complete solution for automated inventory and inventory management in pallet racks in the warehouse area. The solution enables precise location and fully automated recording of the entire warehouse. Receiving and sending packages by a delivery drone. This was made possible thanks to a specially developed packing station on which the drone could land. Reps for DHL say it's the first parcel service provider in the world to succeed in integrating a parcel copter directly into its logistics process. A trailer detection and port inspection solution is also possible with drones. By performing digital inspections at the port, operators get better, simpler, faster, and well-documented data that supports their reporting and further business development. Smart mapping of port infrastructure and harbors help to simplify daily operations such as terrain management. In addition, modern 3D maps allow volume inspections of drone equipment to not only detect but also capture the volume of stored goods and materials on the quays, such as sand, gravel piles, etc., all from the air. And here too, safety plays a major role in the port. Intelligent drone solution Laurent A. Link also improves port safety and monitoring by responding quickly when safety, environmental, or ecological problems or emergencies arise. If you love modern drones and want more information about these amazing robots, subscribe to the Pro Robot channel and don't miss any new videos. Drones can be used to inspect areas of an industrial plant that are particularly difficult to access quickly and without endangering climbers. For this reason, technology is increasingly being used, for example, in chimneys, pipelines, and large machines. Here, drones prove to be very useful when building components needed to be inspected at lofty heights, because the drone provides 360-degree scanning in high resolution and in many cases only needs just a few hours to do so. The use on plants and chemical industry requires the highest concentration and does not allow any errors. One of the most important applications is the inspection of high flares. Drones can also be put to wonderful use in the technical maintenance, in particular, areas of large plants that are difficult to access or located at high altitudes and can be monitored cost-effectively in this way. According to drone manufacturer Multi-Rotor, energy suppliers and plant engineers are already relying on these flying detectives. The Italian company ALV Group uses the AIbot X6 drone to obtain high-precision data for bridge inspections. This allows more than 4,000 structures to be surveyed, inspected, and maintained each year. Another possible use of drones is the mapping of land and geography work. The Micro Drones MD Mapper 1000 DG system is a fully integrated aerial photogrammetry and mapping solution. Featuring the Applanix APX-15, the system allows surveyors to achieve professional results with fewer or no ground control points. Micro drones offer a complete package consisting of the drone, sensors, hardware, software, workflow, training, and support. In this video, you'll see the system in action. Topography data is captured efficiently on-site to produce helpful modules for decision-making. Entertainment drones. Drones are also used for entertainment purposes. For example, more than 1,300 drones simultaneously flew into the night sky over the Chinese city of Xi'an. They made a 13-minute light show and entered the Guinness Book of World Records. Enjoy this magnificent show. Which of these use case examples for drones did you like the most? Let us know down in the comments. Also, do you know of any other interesting case uses for drones that we didn't mention in this video? Let us know down in the comments, like and subscribe to the Pro Robot channel.